thunderstorm warning for northeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Plum County in north-central Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton, or 10 miles east of Deloitte, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poplar Grove, Greenwood, Spring Grove, Harvard, Hebron, Kemen, Capron, Sharon, Richmond, South Beloit, Wonder Lake, Roscoe, and Rockland. For your protection, room for an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poplar Grove, Greenwood, Spring Grove, Harvard, Hebron, Kemen, Capron, Sharon, Richmond, South Beloit, Wonder Lake, Roscoe, and Rockton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.